And here we are, KK's World, our very first episode after the welcome. What are we doing today, KK?
We are doing finding stuff in the house.
Okay, let's go. So where are you headed? What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a Twilight Sparkle and Rarity and a Shopee.
And what have you found there?
Rarity.
Rarity. Is that the Rarity you got from the McDonald's toy?
Yes.
Wow, good find. What's next?
I found an egg over here.
Oh, what's that?
But an egg.
And what sort of egg?
It's a surprise egg.
Yeah. What's the theme of that egg?
There's a frozen someone inside.
Let's have a look. Who's that? Christoph. Wow. Okay. Great. Are there other things left to find?
Yes.
What have we got? What's this that you're looking in?
A text. I found something.
Oh, what's that?
Twilight Sparkle.
Ah. So, are there any other surprises left to find, or is that
There's
it?
one more.
Oh, where do you think that might be?
I don't know. Stress! It's hanging here.
Oh, wow. What's that?
A Shopee?
A Shopee. Ah, so that's it, okay?
Yeah.
What are we going to say to all our viewers? Thanks for helping us with our treasure hunt. We can't wait to see you next time.
And subscribe.
And subscribe. Yeah, absolutely.
TKJ's.
You going to do a big farewell? What are you going to say to everybody?
Bye.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. See you next
How about you do a big wave and a bit of a twirl? Okay. Bye-bye.
time. Bye.